Nanubabo Kabalen, welcome to Where in Pampanga. For today's video, it's going to be a different format sa mga usual na ginagawa nating video. So, usually, nag-feature tayo ng mga restaurants, ng mga hotels, ng mga clinics and everything. But this time, of course, we are still featuring a business but in a different format. So, for today's video guys, we would like to introduce M2 Contractura Yabut Construction. So, to tell more about yung business natin dito, of course, we have our owners and staff. Please introduce yourself, sir.
M.A Yabut, broker, contractor, president.
M.A Yabut, I'm the Vice President for Operations ng M2 Contractura Yabut Construction.
I'm Architect Val, Head Architect of M2 Constructor.
Sir Mark, how did it start po ba?
Way back 2012, we started in real estate, one of the best projects here in Pampanga, Lakeshore. 2013, after a year, I did a freelance broker in Sulanalan. 2017, we had a partnership with one of my co-broker and properties. After a year, 2018, we started doing construction. Aside from what we did way back 2017, we handled different projects here in different locations, not just in Bulacan and Antipolo. We focus in Pampanga.
Okay.
During the pandemic, the business boom, especially in residential and commercial building construction. Up to until now, M2 Contractura is
May pagmamalaki.
yes, dito sa construction business.
Sir, I got interested. No? Alam ko po na yung pandemic naging siyang somewhat delubyo.
Yes.
Sabi mo, dun sa pandemic, lalong gumanda yung natin business. Ano bang nangyari doon, sir, sa tingin mo?
Yes, sir. Actually, we took the challenge. We're doing operations, Pampanga and Antipolo, back and forth during the pandemic. We saw the opportunity. Other companies are not aggressive in doing marketing and doing construction operations in building commercial and residential for the possible clients that who wants to avail our design and build products.
Somewhat delubyo yung pandemic.
Yes, sir.
Pero bakit naging aggressive din sila in terms of investing their money in construction?
Yes, correct, sir. Maganda po yung question nyo. No? Actually, they've realized that money is not that important to them. They want to enjoy their money
Yes.
in investing in their dream houses.
Yes, I think so. Parang ganun po yung naging attitude nila towards their wealth, their money. It's material thing. Mas dapat enjoy na lang with the family.
Yes.
So going back to our business, so si Sir Val po ang in charge for
Bali ako yung in charge sa design and construction initially. Then, from realty, turning to construction. Nung kasi mapunta ako dito, nung ma-hire ako nila Sir Mark, di pa ganun nag-i-start pa lang yung construction.
Okay.
Then, we combine it into architecture, tapos biglang, boom, yun na pala, biglang lumaki yung company to the point na nandiyan na yung mga malaking projects.
Yes.
Parang opportunity dumating.
So before, Sir Mark, parang naghihintay lang tayo ng, ito na yung project, i-build na. But right now, from the scratch, from the even inception of the idea ng owners natin, nadi-design natin.
Yes.
Sir, how does it work ba? From ano yung customer journey natin?
First of all kasi sir, parang ito medyo out of context siya, no? Parang to enlighten other clients
Yes,
lang.
please.
Yung iba kasi, akala nila pag nag-hire sila ng mga professionals, akala nila mahal. Pero hindi kasi mahal yung term. The term is sulit. Bakit naging sulit? Kasi construction is very costly. Paano ko nasabi yun? Kasi one single mistake, napakalaking factor nun sa budget. Sa labor and sa materials.
Okay.
Very intensive siya.
Kasi mas mahal yung construction, di ba?
Mas mahal yung construction.
Pag nagkamali sila.
Parang ganito siya sir. I-embrace lang natin na may mga professionals talaga.
Yes.
Yung parang gano'n. May mga magtatrabaho para dun sa job na yun.
Correct. Okay, so ako isang pasyente, ako yung client, no sir?
Yes, sir.
So how does it work? Ayan, may idea po ako sa gusto kong gawin. So paano natin siya uumpisahan?
First is, syempre, we gather the data sa site. Like, for example, yung location niya, site condition, lot consideration.
Okay.
After that, sir, is give us your schematic ideas dun sa bahay. Kung ano yung, syempre may mga initial idea tayo.
Design, theme.
Yes, sir. Pero yun kasi abstract siya.
Yes.
Abstract siya. So, nandito kami, sir, para tulungan kayo para mabuo yun and gawan ng feasibility study para yung dream na yun maging totoo. In the middle of the game, syempre, meron ng ano yun, negotiation in terms of budget, and yun, the rest is, ano na sir?
Yes.
History.
The rest is history. Owners po ng mga real estate na nabentahan natin, no? So, mga townhouses, may mga, for example, duplex, no? How can you turn it into business?
Okay. Magandang tanong yan, Sir Louie. No? Actually, any property without a building or a building, it can turn into a passive income source. We will be checking the best use of the property. If it's residential and commercial, actually right now, even it's a residential, we can rent it out. We just have to do interior design, and then if we still have space, we can put a swimming pool in the property. Then it could be Airbnb and villa property, something like that.
Importante ito siyempre sa mga businesses. So kayo po ang in charge sa...
I'm in charge with the operation. Tsaka, yun, i-add ko na rin sa service namin yung nagpapa-assist sa mga banks. So for example, si client, meron siyang property, tapos gusto niyang magpa-build. Pero wala siyang ample na budget for the initial payment. Kasi syempre may initial payment tayo to construct. So ang ginagawa namin, tinutulungan namin sila on how to get, yun nga, loan sa bank. Kumbaga, if you have yung fully paid naman na lote, why not gamitin muna natin yun. Then ima-monthly na lang yun, then magkakaroon lang ng progress billing with the bank. So, yung pag-a-assist namin sa bank, syempre free na yun for them.
Wow! So free service po yun.
Yes. All the legworks and the liaising, tsaka yung mga documentations, ipapass lang nila sa amin, then we will do the legwork.
So yun po yung mga preliminary before yung actual construction.
Yes.
So right after yung turnover naman, ma'am, so ako satisfied na. So what are the other services that you do?
So along the way, syempre dapat may communication tayo, and yun pa rin, mag-uusap pa rin tayo pag mag-turnover na. Along the way, I'm sure si Architect Bal nakikipag-usap din sa client. O ma'am, okay na po ba sa inyo to? You are satisfied na ba with this?
Yes.
So yung communication within the team, nandun din kay engineers, kay architects, and yung nasa mismong site. Then afterwards, pag na-turnover na, yun naman, the permits naman for turnover, which is the occupancy. So we will ensure na may occupancy permit bago mag-occupy si client, and yung mga connections, like the permanent connection, or kung gusto mag-solar, electric, PLDT, etc. So kino-communicate din namin yun. The air condition, dapat kasi maayos lahat yung sa bahay. So hindi lang the bahay per se, but yung laman ng bahay at yung pag-occupy.
Anyone can answer this one. How's it going inside the office? What's the office culture?
If you can see yung ambience niya, no, very relaxing, no. We have a pool on the side, and we are, sabi ko nga, pandemic-proof yung office, no. We have accommodation for architects. Technically, talaga siya. Sa design phase, actually, very challenging. We have, architectural, structural design, plumbing, and electrical design. So, very, very challenging.
That was the office culture. How about on-site naman po? How do you manage it?
Actually, multiple projects right now, no. Ang natin is Bulacan, Pampanga, Antipolo. Somehow we will be expanding in Laguna area and Cavite area, Tagaytay, Batangas. Division of labor lang siguro kasi we have several licensed architects naman sa office. So, kung manpower, meron naman po.
The good thing about the office is we have these professionals na talagang skilled. So, we have our own electrical engineer, master plumber, structural engineers. So, we have yung young generation and the good.
The experience.
Oldest but goodest.
Tawag nga nila is the seasoned, diba? Mga seasoned manpowers. Yung mga young ones, syempre they are daring. And the seasoned ones, sila naman yung nag-check. Kung is it possible ba? Or so brainstorming, so brainstorming, and even si Architect Val, meron din siyang team ng architects.
Why M2 Contractor? Why would people or possible clients choose you?
Why would they choose us?
Yes.
Mabigat na tanong.
Yes,
sir.
of course,
Pero,
of course.
ang culture kasi namin is dalawa lang. Number one is, we challenge ourselves. Kung nagawa namin in the past na ganito, bakit hindi natin gawin ng ganito naman? So, nandun yung challenge with each and every one. Number two is, we are committed. Yun. So, challenge and committed. Commitment with the client.
Wow.
Ano ba yung commitment? Hindi lang yan yung perfect na or harmony lang lagi.
Correct.
There are challenges along the way,
Correct.
which is hindi yan mawawala sa construction.
Correct.
Kahit gaano ka perfect, yung pagpa-planning namin, di ba? Yung pagko-communicate namin with another, but there will come a time na meron challenges.
Yes.
But we beat that challenge.
Yes.
So we ensure na we will beat that challenge and we will ensure that we will deliver.
Yes.
Why M2? Kasi sir, simply you have the right person for the job. Somehow sa mga clients naman namin ngayon, sir. Ganun yung nangyari.
Yes.
Natutuwa naman sila dun, sir.
Final question. Ito, final na talaga to. So, how do you feel? How do you feel naman whenever you turn over it, tapos na yung months of labor and everything, how do you feel when a client is satisfied?
Actually, it's very overwhelming, no? Because from scratch, we did the concept, then the challenge of doing the construction on their side, and then achieving what they are expecting.
Yes.
Because yun nga, very challenging yung part na yan kasi we have a design that we have to put it into a reality.
Correct.
So from dream to reality, so expectation to reality,
Correct.
tapos boom, na-achieve mo.
Yes.
Overwhelmed talaga and very thankful to God, of course.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Napaka-makabuluhan po ng mga pinag-usapan natin. And at the same time, I'm pretty sure nagkaroon po ng insights yung mga viewers natin. Why is it important to have or to hire the right person if you have an idea and you want to put it into a real concept na talagang nag-i-enjoy tayo, which is our home, our businesses, our mga properties natin. Alright, so for more information, how can they contact you po? Siguro, let's mention our business information.
You can check our page, M.A Yabut Realty and Construction, and our official page, M2 Contractor Yabut Construction. We have a YouTube account as well. Then, nandun po yung number via email as well. So, nandun po lahat ng contact natin. And we are here in Cabanatuan, Bacolor. You can visit. Let's talk. Turn your dream into a reality.
Wow! Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you got interested with the services of M2 Constructura, make sure to check out po yung fan page na minention nila or the information we're gonna be including in this video. So if you like what we have talked about, ayan, so please give this video a thumbs up, share mo dun sa friends mo na nangangailangan ng ganitong services. And once again, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until next time, see you there. Bye!